What's up everyone? It's Hanabee and you're watching Tiny Techniques at Rediscover Center. In this video, we'll be looking at tiny techniques for using brads. No, not that kind of brads. These. Brads are also known as brass fasteners, paper fasteners, or split pins. They are small pieces of soft metal that look like little nails. We use brads to hold multiple pieces of paper or cardboard together, but they can connect so many other things too. Let's look at this up close. There's a big head and two little legs that you can bend. When they're together, the legs can fit through small holes. Now let's watch how a brad works by attaching two pieces of cardboard together. Make holes in both materials using a small screwdriver, a push pin, or a hole puncher. Then you stick the brass fastener through the hole in one piece and then through the hole in the other one. And you squash the legs open so it's too big to slide out of the holes. Really cool way to put things together without glue or tape, right? What's extra cool about brads is that when you use just one, that spot becomes a pivot point or fulcrum. It can turn, it can spin. Imagine all of the movements you can make. If I add a second one though, my pieces will stay in one place, which makes it a lot more stable. Using this tiny technique, I can make projects just like this movable arm. And I don't know if you can tell, but I love animals. So I also made this adorable bunny to keep me company while I make stuff. Thanks for watching! I hope you learned something. If you like this video, please share this with your fellow makers and tinkers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit rediscovercenter.org to learn more about our programs.